Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, it's another secret hunting, and the series that we're gonna complete is the Monsters, the Almost Hidden series. It's like giving me a vibe that we're gonna look for or we're gonna hunt for a secret for today's vlog. And I'm so excited because I have a couple of figures from this series and I want to complete the set, and then again, it's a secret hunting season for me. So I'm going to show you the full set. This is the mother box. So this is the monsters almost hidden, and this is the final lineup or the confirmed figures. They have 12 confirmed figures, and we're gonna look for the secret, which has a probability of 1 over 144. So from this lineup, I already had the I got the fire hydrant before, the flask, and the traffic light. So what are we waiting for? I'm so excited, and let's do the unboxing now. So before we begin guys with the unboxing of the full set of the monsters, let me give you a bonus unboxing first, which is the Molly Artline Anniversary Statues Classical Retro. If you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed, or we are lucky enough to get one of the secrets, which is, I believe, the black stone. I guess that's the black stone. I'm gonna show you so that you have an idea. You can watch my previous vlog, guys, so that you have an idea on how I got this one. I have to show you this. This is so beautiful. Let me show you the art card first. So we have the McMolly Blackstone. Look how beautiful this one. Very nice. It's like a marble one. Very cool. Very, very nice. So I'm going to put this one here for the meantime. As I've said, we're going to do a bonus unboxing, which is the another full set of the Molly art line. And I completed already the lineup. So this 10 I have already. So I'm still looking for the other two secrets, and this full set just arrived after I unboxed the other full sets in my previous vlog. So yeah, before the Monsters Almost Hidden series, let's go now for the Molly art line. Another unboxing for the Anniversary Statues Classical Retro. So guys, this will be quick because this is just a bonus unboxing because we are just doing secret hunting. So if we ever get a duplicate from the confirmed series, we're not going to unbox those or removing the foil. I'm just going to show you the art card as we are looking for the other two secrets. So I'm just going to show you the art card. So where is it? Where's the art card? Oh, here. It's hidden here. It's hiding. And we have this one. It's a beautiful day. So let's keep this one. And let's do the second box. Oops. Okay. I just hope I'll get another secret, guys. So this is the fun of doing a secret hunting. But for those duplicates that I'm gonna get for today's vlog, I'm gonna sell it on my online shop. So we have the silver version of Tong Yu Feitian. Okay, let's proceed with the third one. Wow. Are we able to get another secret? Or Pop Mart said it's enough for you? One secret is enough. So let's do the secret hunting, guys. So we have the... Okay, we have the golden version now. Okay, this is just quick. Very fast. Because our main unboxing now is the monster. Oops. Uh-oh, I destroyed the box. Okay, carefully. Okay, I have this one already. The It's a Beautiful Day special version. Let's put it back. Wow. Wait, let's take a pause because let's give this short unboxing some kind of you know, thrill and tension. Okay, maybe this one's not. What the fudge, guys? We got another secret, which is the Makmoli. Yes, I told you. Woo! We got another secret! I'm so happy and lucky. Now I'm gonna unbox this one. Wow! Oh my goodness! Why Papa is so generous to me? Okay, the Macmolly secret, guys. One, two, three. Wow! What the heck? Guys, look! This is so beautiful. Why I'm so lucky? Wow! We got another secret from Artline Molly. The Mac Molly. Yay! We have two secrets now. We're missing another one. Should I get more? Another set, guys? What do you think? How beautiful, right? It reminds me of a Lady Ronald McDonald's. She looks like a clown here. I like the dress. It's so colorful. Very clowny. Wow. Very nice. Now I'm not. Am I going to unbox those five now? Okay, let's see. Maybe we are lucky enough to get more secrets. Ha 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 ha. Oh my goodness, I'm so overwhelmed. I have two secrets now. My goodness. Okay. Let's unbox now the other five because I have to take a photos from this collection so that I can put them now on my online shop. And we have this one, my another half. Okay. Now. Okay. Next one. Okay, I have this one already. You Are Not Alone Rebirth. The special version. Now let's do the last three boxes. Oops. And we have the Molly V Salute to the Great Artist. Last two boxes. Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Secret hunting. Okay, wait. Careful. Why it's so hard, this one too. But you know, guys, I'm not sure if PopMart is giving multiple multiple secrets in one set. Oh no, I destroyed the box. Carefully. Okay, we have the... Where's the art card? Here. We have this one, Molly D Salute. So, I'm not sure which one we are missing. So, this is the last box. Our last box. Okay. And we have the... Oh, You're Not Alone Rebirth. So, we are missing the Molly M. We are missing the Molly M from this series because we got the secret. I'm so happy. We have two secret now from Molly Artline. This is a bonus video and I'm going to proceed now with the Monsters Almost Hidden series. So guys, let's proceed now with our main event or main unboxing, which is the Monsters Almost Hidden series. So I removed now all the boxes from the mother box and we have 12 boxes here. And let me show you all the figures that I unboxed already from my previous vlog. We have the three figures, which are the traffic light, which is the cover one. I have the flask already and the fire hydrant. So this is the three that we might expect a duplicate. So we are looking for another secret, guys. So yeah, actually, this one is my least favorites from this one so far. But let's see. Our first box for today for the Monsters Almost Hidden series. So if ever I'm going to get a duplicate, I'm going to sell them on my online shop. And we're going to open now this one, the bottom part, and show you the art card. Let me show you first the foil with the branding of the monsters. So our first figure now. One, two, three. Labubu Kiddie Ride. What the? Oh my god! What a day! First unboxing, it's a secret! Guys, what a lucky day! Goodness, gracious goodness! Our first figure and it's a secret! Oh my goodness! This is my lucky day! Oh my! Look! First unboxing and we got the Kiddie Ride, the secret, Labubu. And the art card is so cool. Like, he's riding in a... I'm not sure, is this moving? Oh! This one is moving. Like, how? Okay. Cool. What the heck? This one is cool. Oh, there's a note. Place the product on the platform steadily. Twice the product spring forward and you will hear the click sound when it is completed. Okay. Oh, why it's not moving? Oh, it's like this. Oh my god. What a nice one. We got the secret. What can you say about this one, guys? Very lucky enough. Please comment down below. So guys, I figure out how it will work. I just have to remove this one that is covering here or taking like it's a break to move this one. So you have to turn around this one and put in the floor and he's moving like this. Look. This one is so cool. Wow. What a nice secret, guys. Look. Very cool one. So let's proceed now with our second box. And I'm so happy. It seems like I was thinking if I'm gonna finish this one, but for you guys, I'm going to complete the series. So I'm so excited to see the canned pineapple, the flower pot. I'm so curious with the tree house. I wanna see also spray can, mailbox. I just hope the one that replaced the secret will be either of the three that I have already. So let's see. Our second figure or second box, the foil, the snap, and the art card. Oh, the fire hydrant! We have this one already. Okay, so let me put this back on the box. And this is the fire hydrant. Actually, when I saw this one, I found this one very artistically done. They know how to incorporate the things like the translucent one, the translucent figure. It really looks like Labubu is hiding in the fire hydrant, and they use his hand like this as a water. So yeah, I actually like this one. What can you say about fire hydrant, guys? Please comment down below. So we got our first duplicate and we have our secret already. So it's a tie. So okay, let's do the third box. Wow, that's what. That was so cool and fun. Okay. One, two. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, our second dupe. We started so strong and now we're getting so weak. Our second, you know, second dupe, the traffic light. This is my least favorite, guys. Actually these three figures are not connected to each other. I just put some glue so that it will be easy for this figure to stand alone because every time I display this one without the glue, they are crashing. So yeah, this is the traffic light. Our second dupe. Please comment down below. Let's go now with another box. And I just hope this one is not a duplicate. I just hope that the missing figure will be the flask as a replacement for the secret. One, two, three. Oh, the sculpture! I'm actually curious and excited to see this one. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, okay. It's a PVC, but there's a texture and feeling of like a snow, a stone, and it's a marble. It's nice one. Very nice. It's like a stone that they sculptured Labubu here and Taikoko. It's like a big sculpture that they did here. There's some crack on the stone. Very nice details. I like how they did some scratches. And this is the palette and the nails that they use for the sculpturing the Labubu. Very nice. Very unique figure. Definitely not everybody's cup of tea, but I like this one. I like unique figure. So what can you say about Labubu sculpture, guys? Please comment down below. Let's go now with our next box. And let's see the other figure. Okay. Carefully, carefully. Our next one is one, two, three. Oh, the canned pineapple. Actually, I like this one. Pineapple is one of my favorite fruits. So I'm so excited to see this one. Look the art card, very artistically done. Like Labubu is hiding in a pineapple can. Let's see. One, two, three. Oh, actually, this is so nice. Very artistic. Oops. Oh, it's like he's picking up. I like this. Look. Wow, this is cool. And it's a brown orange labubu. And there's some pineapple slices. Look, inside of it. I like the can, the tin can. So realistic. 100% labubu, the monsters. This one is so cool. Actually like this one. What can you say about the canned pineapple guys of Monster Labubu? Please comment down below. I'm almost halfway through and this is our sixth box that we're going to unbox now. And I'm so excited to see the flower pot. I guess that's the flower pot. Yeah, flower pot. Okay, carefully. Oops. Okay. The foil. And the art card, one, two, three. Yeah! Flower pot! It's so nice. It's just dented. Hmm. Let's see. One, two, three. Oh, I told you this is cute. This is the cactus. It's like flat finish. I like he's hiding in a pot. Very cool one. It's broken pot. It's brown labubu. Very nice details. Even the ears of Labubu is peeking on the top. Very cute. One of my favorites. Please comment down below if you like this one too. Okay, before we proceed with the next box, I forgot there's an inclusion in the box of the flower pot. So you really have to double check because this is the missing part of the pot. Look how beautiful. This one is so cute and you have to remove this one. It will show the face of Labubu here. Okay, so let's see. Let me hide this one first and let's proceed with the next box. Okay, our seventh figure is oh, the treehouse, the one that I really want to see in an actual figure. One, two, three. Oh, that's why. This one is Taikoko, I believe. And I really like the translucent, transparent material. And Labubu here is neon green. I like how they incorporate all the tree houses. Taikoko is like the tree here. Very nice. At first, I don't like this one. Now, I see this. Now, it's one of my favorites now. Look how cute the details and the colors. Very nice figures. Wow, what can you say about the treehouse, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our next box. I'm so excited to complete this one now with the secret. Very lucky day. We got two secrets for today's vlog. Oh, our duplicate. Okay, so we have the flask. Let me put it back. Oops, I moved my camera. Let me put it back on the box. So this is the flask. Actually, one of my favorites with Thai Coco as the smoke. Very nice one. Wearing an oversized white lab coat with this aquamarine necktie. He is inside of the flask bottle. It's blue one, blue labubu. And even his ears is like bending at backwards. This one's actually cute, very artistically done. Very nice one. Very nice details actually. So unfortunately, it's a duplicate. So what can you say about the Flask of Monster? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our next box. Okay. This one was so fast. Very fast unboxing. Oh, we should unbox now this one or removing the foil because we all unveiled the duplicates. So one, two, three. Oh, look! The yummy, yummy one. The bread one. Okay. There's some inclusion, the tray. So we have the bread bag. So Labubu here, it's in the paper bag with this loaf. He is hiding in the paper bag with the loaf. So I like the red nose of Labubu here. Some blush on the cheeks. He is so cute. Very pretty. So this is the tray. Okay, the tray is like a stand, so you can put Labubu here. I actually like this one. This one is so cute. Like his or her mini arms are peeking outside of the paper bag. Very nice details. Very nice one. I like this. Surprisingly, they are also cute and adorable. What can you say about the bread bag of Labubu? Please comment down below. Last three boxes, and let's proceed now with our next box. Okay, so let me do a recap. We have the pineapple can, sculpture, fire hydrant, treehouse, flask, traffic light, flower pot, bread bag. So we are missing the lamp, spray can, mailbox, and cactus. I like them all. No, there should be. So my least favorites here will be lamp. I hope lamp is the replacement for the secret that we got because I like the other three. The spray can as well, and the mailbox and the cactus. Our next figure. One, two, three. And we got the lamp, my least favorite. Well, though it's cute. I like the turquoise color of Labubu here with some starlights on the eyes of Labubu. And he's hiding in the lamp like this. Okay. Cool actually. And there is some inclusions. Let me put the inclusion first. The switch of the lamp. This one is so cute. Okay. Actually cute. Very nice. This one is so cute, guys. Hiding in the lamp. So this is the lamp of Labubu. Cute surprisingly. I love the details of the switch. What can you say about the figure, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our second to our last box. And I don't know which one we are missing right now. Huh. I just hope... I like this tree. I don't know why. But let's see. Let's see which one we are missing and our next figure. One, two, three. Oh, the spray can! Look how beautiful. What I like about this one is the gummy finish texture of this figure. It's translucent. I like it's. I guess this is Mokoko because it's pink, and this is the spray can with the pink color, pink paint, and she's like melting. Very nice. It's like they pressed the spray can and Mokoko came out like this. Very cool. This is actually one of my favorites, and even look the art card, very artistically done, very colorful. It's very neon. I actually like this. What can you say about spray can, guys? Please comment down below. So it's our last box and we are missing mailbox and cactus. Well, I actually like mailbox better than cactus, so I hope it's a mailbox. So let's see who will complete our series for today's vlog. Actually, it's not complete because we are missing one because of the secret. So let's see. Our final figure. One, two, three. Oh, we got the cactus. And we are missing the mailbox. Okay, this is the art card. Very cute. Nice one. Very colorful. And we got the stand. It's like a desert stand. As desert soil, I guess. Or you have to put Labubu here. It's yellow Labubu. I'm not sure how we'll put this one. Like this? Okay. Like this. Yeah, it fits. And you have to put the signage here. Water. Like giving a direction where to get the water. He's hiding in a cactus. I guess cactus mimicking Tai Coco. And the yellow ears is peeking out. And there's some cactus flowers here. The mini Tai Coco. Very cute. Actually cute. But I like the mailbox. So what can you say about the cactus of Labubu, guys? This is our final figure. Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. The complete set of the Monsters Almost Hidden series. Actually, we are not able to complete the set because we are missing one, which is the mailbox. But fortunately, and we are lucky enough to get our secret, which is the I forgot the name, the Kiddie Ride, and this is the art card of the Kiddie Ride. Very nice one, very cool. I'm so happy. Even in the bonus unboxing, we managed to get another secret from Molly Art Line, which is the Mac Molly. And now I'm so happy to have these two secrets from the Art Line Molly. And yeah, and we managed to get a secret one from the Labubu. And it seems like we are successful enough to get a secret in our secret hunting edition. So, I'm looking forward to do another one. What do you think, guys? Do you think should I get more sets and look for the secrets and do the secret hunting again? If you think so, please comment down below. And by the way, guys, these five in front of me are my top favorites from this lineup. If you have other favorites, you can comment down below. But these fives on the below part are the figures that stands out so well. Though they are also cute and adorable, then I'm gonna look and find the missing one, which is the mailbox. So guys, I hope you had fun. If you think so and you had fun watching my vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscriber, please do subscribe and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!